So now today we are going to start with the K map. Okay, as I told, part of the digital electronics, and in digital electronics, K map question definitely come, right? So mark it as very important. Every time you can make use of, so you'll get the question of K map. So what is K map? K map is basically Carnot map, and it is the graphical representation of an expression. K map is further divided into category. It can be of variable K-map, it can be of three variable K-map, and it can be of four variable K-map. Two variable means A comma B, variable means A comma C, four variable means A comma right. Right? In two variable will have how many boxes raised by two? That is four boxes. Okay. In three variable we have to make raised by three. That is eight boxes. And in four variable we'll have to raised by four. That is boxes to make it like this. Okay, understood? Okay. After that we'll have A. Here we'll write down A, C. Here we'll write down A, B. Okay. Don't change the pattern in every, like you can get the different pattern, but I'm teaching you according to this pattern. Clear? Now we have to do the numbering. Like 0, 1, all small letters in the box. Again 0, 1, the third column, 2, back to the third column, 3, 4, 5, leave the third column, 6, 7. Similarly here 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, leave it, 6, 7. Now leave complete third row. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Got it? Hmm? So now next thing we need to do, that is we need to mark it over here. A can be 0 or 1, right? Similarly B can be 0 or 1. If in digital terms, if A value is equal to 0, then it will be represented by A bar always. If A value is equal to 1, then it would be represented by, got it? Hmm? So similarly here A bar A, here is you'll get B bar, and you'll get B bar and B. Similarly, move to this, A can be either 0 and 1, right? And now there is BC on top of the side. Because we'll have two variables, and if we'll have two variables, then how many are the possible cases? Tell me. If suppose you are having switches in your room, and one, how many will be the possible combination? For two, that is, okay, it would be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Like both can be off, one can be off, one can be on, both can be on, one on, then off. Is there any other possible combination also? No, no. Okay. So in this case also 1 1 1 1 0. The sequence is same. You remember the sequence. Can't change. Got it? So if in this case it is, you can write it out like B bar, bar. Similarly B bar, similarly B and C bar. Okay. And here it is A is 0, A bar, and right. Now do it for this one. Same 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. 0 1 1 1 1 0 bar D bar C bar D bar A bar B bar A bar B A B A B bar. Got it? Now tell me out up to here. Now let's start with the three variable because that would be, and obviously for two variable will not come. There are less chances of variable also and more chances of four variable. But I'm teaching you first the three variable, then you can understood four variable. Like suppose in this they have given y is equal to sigma m comma 2. Okay, and you have to make kmap. You have seen like use of paper also that they'll give you like this kind of. So whatever the number they have given, you have 1 over there. Okay, first thing. After marking the number, you have to make pairing. Pairing means like just imagine you are new to the classroom. Okay, you are new, entered into your class, that is your first day. So you want to make friends, right? Like this is your classroom and you are the students. So they are sitting with each other, so they'll make friend, right? They'll form a pair. Got it?
Yes.
If suppose four ones are sitting near to each other, then four will make a single, right?
Yes.
Similarly, if two ones are sitting vertically आगे पीछे, then also they'll make a pair. Okay, next thing, if three ones are sitting with each other, then three ones can't make pair. Okay, there can be pairing of 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, raised to power 3, raised to power 4. 2 1 can make a pair, 2 raised to power 2, 4 1 can make a pair, again 8 1 can make a pair, 1 make a. If there are three ones, then what happened? They'll not become friends. No, they'll become a friends. These two will become a friend. Okay, and then this thing, that this one thinking that no one should be left alone, so he'll make a double pair. He's also a friend of this one also. This is technically known as overlapping. Okay, and in which case we'll do overlapping when there is any one is left alone. Or by words, if there is any one left alone, we'll do overlapping. No one should be left alone until and unless he is very like sitting very far away from anyone. Got this point?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm telling you this one is the pairing. Got it?
Yes.
Now after this we need the naming. Like after pairing, see how will we do the naming. Like suppose these are the two ones and this will be a pair. You have to see from the left hand side, that is a bar. You have to see a bar is there. Now from these two ones, what is common? B is common, so write down B. And with C, C bar, like it is like this, C and C bar cancelled. B and B bar would be cancelled. So in this case, only A bar is there, so you write it A bar, and B is common, so you write it B bar, A bar B. C is cancelled with C bar. You don't need to show cancelling, but it would be in your mind only. So its pairing naming is A bar. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am giving you one. First do pairing, then do naming. Okay? Try it by your own. Like suppose four ones are there horizontally. Like just imagine that your teacher is giving you a project. Okay? And that project cost include 10,000. Right? So what you will think? That you will make a pair of two or four. Now tell me. If you'll make a pair of four, then that would be distributed with each other na all money, right? So
Yes.
will you suggest to make up two ka pair or four ka single pair?
Four.
Four ka single pair. So in this also you have to make a pair of bigger ones, not a smaller ones. Instead of making it का वन नहीं बनाना, मतलब इन दोनों का एक एक नहीं बनाना, a single pair. Understood this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now do the naming.
C bar and C will also cancel.
Bar and C will also cancel. B bar B cancel. C
C and C.
cancel. All are cancelled. Final answer is
Okay.
A bar only. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's do in four case. Like suppose one is sitting at here, one student is sitting at here. Okay, they are in the same column, so they'll make a friend. Suppose one is at the first bench and one is at the last bench, so they'll become a friends. They'll make a pair. Okay. Similarly, again, if suppose four ones are sitting like this, they'll become a pair. Okay. Now suppose two ones are like two ones are here, two ones are here. They're at the same row, right? Then again, these four will become a pair. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly, if suppose all one are sitting in the corner, okay? All one are sitting in the corner, then also become a friends. कर लेते हो ना corner corner से, okay? So these are the different kind of pairing in which overlapping doesn't include till now. I'll tell you for the overlapping case. Now tell me the naming for each and every case. So in the first case, get B bar C bar D. Second case B, then have B D bar. Last case is B bar D bar. You know the last case naming? Perfect.
Even before.
See, this one can be one pair, right? And as I told you, have to make maximum number of ones in. So it will become one pair. Okay. Now this one is left alone, correct? So no
Yes,
one should be left alone. This will become a four. Instead of making two ka pair, we have to prefer four ka pair if possible. Now do the naming. Y is equal to A bar B, right?
yes,
This is this pair, as I told, correct pair. Okay, I remember my words I told you. Overlapping is done only when there any one left alone, right?
yes, ma'am.
Overlapping would be done only in that case if any one is left alone. Now suppose if I remove, now tell me, is there any one left alone? Is there any one left alone? The pairing.
No, no.
So technically 99% of this pair and that group redundant group. Okay, that group is known as redundant group. So you have to say smartly that you have to after making a pairing that if I remove any group, like if we remove any group, doesn't matter because one left. So we don't need redundant group. In this case, we'll have four pairs. Understood?
Okay.
So this kind of like modified question, get it in Manipal. Topic is here in the kmap only. Here don't care is denoted by cross. Okay, cross means we can consider it as 0 also and we can consider it as 1 also according to our convenience. Like suppose I'm giving example जैसे कि हमारे हमारे पास कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड है, ठीक है, क्लास में, दैट अगर वो अकेला रह रहा है तो उसे रहने दो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लाइक यू डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, ओके, बट इंक्लूडिंग दैट फ्रेंड हमारा ग्रुप बड़ा बन रहा है तो तुम इंक्लूड कर लो कहीं, सेल्फिश, समझे? लाइक
yes,
सम ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स आर देयर ना, अकेला है तो कोई बात नहीं, यू, बट इफ include that person, that friend, तो तुम्हारे पैसे कम हो जाएंगे, money will be distributed, then in that case you will be included, that he will be included, right? होते हैं ना कुछ ऐसे friends जिनकी तुम परवाह नहीं करते, that is don't give and don't by loss. So suppose in this we'll have one, like they'll give you the number m1 and 4, 12, 8, 14, plus don't care is denoted by d, that is comma 50. So what you'll do, all this, mark this one, 1, 4, 12, 8, and 50. Don't care is denoted by cross, right? So in this case, what we'll do, if you include this don't care friend, a big group, पूरा
yes,
बड़ा group बन जाएगा. So you okay, suppose you have, there are two also. Okay, now इसको इनके साथ include करेंगे, then also a pair, right? Normal pairing as we have done. Now as you can see that this cross don't care 2 is left alone, because इसको include करके we don't have any benefit, right? So we
yes,
can left don't care alone, but if including don't care will make a bigger group or we will make a pair, then only understood. Naming
yes,
will be as it is done earlier. There is no change in the naming. So any doubt you can contact her. I'm a specialist for Manipal of any subject in Manipal. Call me.